Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover assignment operators in Java. In Java, we use assignment operators to assign value to variable. This is add an assignment operator. It works by adding the left-hand side variable value to the right-hand side variable or value and then assigning the result back to the left-hand side variable. For example, a assignment a add 5 and a add an assignment 5 have the same result. This is subtract an assignment operator. It works by subtracting the right hand side variable or value from the left hand side variable and assigning the result back to the left hand side variable. For example, a assignment a subtract 5 and a subtract an assignment 5 has the same result. Similarly, there are other assignment operators also. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.